Property investment ba ang hanap mo? For personal use or even retirement home? Dreaming of an affordable yet quality and spacious condo here in the Philippines? Ikaw ba ay OFW na naghahanap ng investment o tahanan na fit sa lifestyle mo? Ever since there's a high demand of owning or even renting a condominium property here at Taft Avenue. Because as we all know, may mga universities and schools na nandito like De La Salle University, even College of St. Benilde, and St. Scholastica's College. What if I tell you that there's a new, modern, resort-inspired, and even affordable property or condominium property near Taft Avenue? So right now, I'm here at Dominga Street, Malate, Manila. So this is the Camden Place by DMCI Homes na returned over last March 2025. So as you can see, this is the street, Dominga Street. Pag diniretso yun yung papunta ng Vito Cruz. And then SDA Building, St. Benilde, St. Scholastica. That's on the left side naman, dito yung papunta Makati CBD, Pahilpuyat. So ayan. So ngayon, dadalhin ko kayo, papakita ko sa inyo yung Camden Place. So tara! Right now, let me take you on a tour here at Camden Place. So upon entrance, makikita nyo yung trademark ng DMCI, which is the elegant main lobby. Very spacious, as you can see, high ceiling, and this is the reception area. So ayan po. As you can see, very intricate yung mga designs niya. Very elegant. And as far as I know, very rare ang ganitong klaseng condominium here at Taft Avenue. So actually, makikita niyo yung ganitong design sa mga DMCI projects talaga. So makikita niyo, very intricate yung design niya. Very resort-inspired. And modern contemporary. Ayan. And on this side, makikita natin yung convenience store. Meron ditong convenience store. Pero as of now, since kaka-turn over lang niya, wala pang, hindi pa siya open. So, dyan makikita yung convenience store. Then on the other side naman, andito yung entertainment room. So, pag may mga guests po kayo, pwedeng dalhin dito. Then on this side, may mga tables and chairs po. Pag may mga visitor kayo, pwede nyo sa dito i-meet. So right now, papakita ko po sa inyo yung 6 high-speed elevators dito sa Camden Place. Which is very important. Siyempre, high-rise building to. So dapat mabilis talaga yung elevator. So ngayon, meron tayo dito, ito po yung 6 high-speed elevator. So right now, I will show you the sample units or model units here at Camden Place. So this time, I'll show you a bare studio unit. So upon delivery, ganito mismo yung makikita nyo. Upon entrance, makikita nyo agad yung kitchen area. So sa kitchen area, as usual sa mga DMCI homes, meron ng kitchen cabinets na soft close system. And ito makikita nyo, meron granite finish kitchen countertop. So ito naman yung toilet and bathroom. And dito yung living area. So as you can see dito, wala siyang balcony. So the good thing about na walang balcony is ma-maximize yung space. So this time naman po, I'll show you a larger unit, which is 1 bedroom. And on your screen right now, makita niyo po yung details ng 1 bedroom na pupuntahan natin. So tara! So, upon entrance, makikita niyo again yung kitchen na may inclusions na kitchen cabinet, provision for range hood, and of course, granite finish kitchen countertop. So granite finish na po siya. So napakaganda po upon delivery, ganito na po siya. So pagpasok natin, dito naman po yung living area sa part po na to. So ideally, pwede nyo lagay yung TV nyo dito. Dito naman yung sofa. So ayan. So pagpasok po natin dito, ito naman po yung bedroom. So isa sa mga difference ng 1 bedroom sa studio unit is may divider. And mas malaki po siya ng konti, slightly larger po siya, yung cut. So again, the good thing about this unit, wala po siyang balcony, which is maximize natin yung space. Ayan. And on this part, ito naman po yung toilet and bathroom. Nakita nyo na yung lobby, yung skydeck pool, at yung mga model units. Punta naman tayo sa gym or fitness gym. So by the way, the fitness gym is located at 7th floor. So tara, pasok po tayo. By the way, sa floor na to, meron din dito mga tables and chairs like on this part. So para medyo ano siya, medyo may parang cafe bar na area. So good news for students or even working people. Kasi dito sa Camden Place, may tinatawag kaming co-working space. So sa co-working space, dito may mga area for study. May mga tables dito, may chairs. So ayan po, as you can see, dito po may rule na bawal mag-ingay. Ayan, dito po makakapag-relax kayo. Pwede kayong mag-aral dito. Pwede kayong gumawa ng mga office staffs nyo. Ayan. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have questions or inquiry, don't hesitate to contact me on my contact details on your screen right now. So again, this is Banjo Santos, property consultant of DMCA Homes. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates about DMCA projects. God bless you all.